Welcome to my channel. Think about life. How to wear a mask. Before putting a mask, clean hands with antibacterial hand sanitizer or soap and water. While wearing a mask, cover your mouth and nose. Make sure there are no gaps between your face and the mask. Avoid touching the mask. If you do, clean your hands with alcohol-based hand with soap and water. Replace the mask with a new one as soon as it is damp. Do not reuse single-use mask. To dispose of the mask, remove the mask from behind using the string. Do not touch the front of mask. Discard the mask immediately in a closed bin. Clean hands with alcohol-based hand rub or soap and water. If this is your first time to my channel, subscribe and click the bell icon for new updates.